Yesterday we have done skip counting by twos and today we will do skip counting in threes. How? See, 1 is not the first number every time. 0. Then I will skip 3. 3 means I will jump thrice. I will get 3. I am coloring it with pen. I am making a circle with pencil, but you have to color it with your favorite color. Then again 3 steps. That means 2 numbers skip करके 6. Again 2 numbers skip करके 9. Again 2 numbers. Then again 2 numbers. Then again and again I will skip 2 numbers. Then again or 3 steps. Then 2 numbers. In this way, see, I have skipped. So these are the colored numbers. You have to write with them. Okay. So see, I have got the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. And 3 tens are 33. 30. 3 elevens are 33. 3 12s are 36. In this way, we have to do the skip counting in threes, and similarly we have done the table of 3 also.
When we will complete this, what we will get to know? We will get to know that this is the table of 3. Look here carefully. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So now we will do the table of 3 in the method as we have done earlier, leaving one line, leaving one block, pronouncing in the same way as I have read just now. 3 fives are 15, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 12s are 36. Once you have done the table of 3, then that will be too easier for you to do this skip counting in threes. Here what you have to do is write down the number A, B, C. Then 18, skip 2 numbers 19, 20, then 21, then leave 3 steps 22, 23, 24. So you will be writing here 24. Again leaving 3, 25, 26. Then you have to write here 27. Again leaving 3, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Next question 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. That's it for today as a classwork. Till now we have done the table of 2, table of 3 and skip counting in 2s and 3s. This was all your classwork. You will be putting the date and classwork as well. Where are you going? This is not the end. This was your classwork. Now let's check the homework as well, beta. Complete the skip counting. See what is different over here. I have not told you skip counting in 2 or 3. You have to guess it yourself. आपको खुद से पता लगाना है कि skip counting in 2s है या skip counting in 3s है. For example, look here, 133. So how many steps? 34. Okay, and 135. That means it is a skip counting in 2s. So you will be completing it as 136 leave, then write down 137, then 138 skip, then 139, then skip 140, write 141, and so on, 143. Okay, see, this is skip counting in 3s. How would I know that? 87. How many numbers are missing? After 87 to 90, how many numbers are missing? 88, 89. 2 numbers or 3 steps. That means it is skip counting in 3s. This I have done for you. 197, then 100. See, you can also draw the blanks with any crayon color. Okay, this is also your homework. 76. See, I don't know what would come over here. Then 80. Just imagine if I will write skip counting in 2s. 77, 78, and 79 and 80. That means what will come over here? 78. After 1, 4 is coming. That means 2, 3. 2 numbers are missing. That means skip counting in 3s. So I will be completing it like this only. 164, leave 2, 165, 166. Then what I will write over here? 167. Again leave 2 on your finger. 168, 169. What I will write over here? 170. And so on. Okay, this is little bit tricky, but I hope if you will keep on practicing, then you will be able to do them. And next is dodging table. Write down the heading dodging table as we have done in the tables. Dodging means mix table. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 3 at once, 7 at once. 3 7s are 21. See, 6 2s are, you don't know the table of 6, right? But you can reverse it. 2 6 are 12. Similarly, you don't know the table of 5. This I have left for you. You will be doing it. 3 10s are. If you have learned the table, you can do that. See, 5 3s are. You don't know the table of 5. But my dear, you know the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. That means whether you do 5 3s are or 3 5s are, the answer is same in both the cases. Similarly here and similarly here. Bacha, don't think that the work is more. We have to do the work, okay? And I hope you can do this because you have to study maths only 2 days. But don't think that at your home also you will do it 2 days only. You have to study maths regularly. Daily आपको maths पढ़नी है. You have to practice it and practice as much as you can. Then only you will score good marks. You have to learn the tables. You have to learn the spellings of the number names. Okay, and don't get confused between anything. These 2 pages are your homework for today. These 2 pages are your homework. Bye-bye.